Namaste, I'm Sonal Paladini and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a short flexibility flow that you can do every morning. Hi, let's start in a comfortable sitting position. Bring your left hand onto your stomach and right hand on your heart. Close your eyes. Let's take a few gentle breaths and notice the rise and fall of your chest as you inhale and let it out through the mouth. Inhale, long neck, long spine. Exhale, relax your shoulders. Inhale, deep, fully, and let it out. Open your eyes, twist to the right side, long spine, even in your twist. Stay here. Breathe. Twist to the other side. Stay here. Breathe. To the middle, bring your hands forward and fold forward. Now turn to your yoga mat. We're gonna get right into it. Downward facing dog. Bend left knee, bend your right knee. Bend your left knee, bend your right knee. Bring your heels to the right side. Stay here. Heels up to the left side. Heels in the normal position. Lean forward and back. Lean forward and back. Gentle somatic movement, maybe not so gentle. If it doesn't feel so gentle, then bring your knees onto the yoga mat. Lean forward and back. Like a wave, lean forward and lean back. Now bring your knees to the yoga mat and roll your wrists. Bring your hands forward, close and open them really fast, just warming up the hands. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Hands come back onto the yoga mat. So this is a quick flow. For busy people, we're going to get right into it. Bring your right leg up. Bend your knee. Look at your foot from the left side. Open the hip. Bring your right foot between the hands. Lean back and forth. 3, 2, 1. Left hand stays here. Right hand comes up. Open. Breathe. Expand your chest. Right hand comes back onto the yoga mat. Right foot comes back. Downward dog. Left leg comes back. Comes up. Bend your knee. Open your hip. Find your left foot through your right eye. And bring your left foot on the left side of the yoga mat. Lean back and forth. And left hand comes up. Expand your chest. Breathe. Both your hands come onto the yoga mat. Left leg back. Lean forward. Plank position or Vinyasa, Chaturanga, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Bring your feet between the hands gently and hold your elbows, hang your neck, lean side to side. And when you're ready, gently open your arms and roll up. Arms come up. And Namaste position. Inhale, arms up, exhale, forward fold, open your legs, and let's find Malasana. So we're going to flow a little bit differently today because it's a short flow, so we're going to be efficient with the time. Hands onto the yoga mat, right leg comes back, left arm opens. So your legs are wide, somewhat like a lizard lunge. 3, 2, 1. Left hand comes back. And we do a push-up like this, shoulders forward, push-up and back. Left leg comes back, right leg comes in front next to the right hand, right arm comes up, look at your right hand. 3, 2, 1. Right hand comes down, shoulders forward, push up and back. Downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, if you're going to come into Malasana, if you want, you can gently step into Malasana or jump into Malasana and hands together. Stay here. Lean your butt back, butt comes up, Namaste position. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, butt leans back, Malasana. Hands to the yoga mat. This time, left leg goes back, right leg comes up. Open your chest. Stay here. Right hand comes back. Push up and bring your right leg back. Left leg comes next to the left hand. Left arm comes up. Stay here. Breathe. Left hand comes back. Comes under the shoulder. Push up. Downward facing dog. Walk, step or jump into Malasana. Hands come together. Namaste. In Malasana, bring your hands forward. Lean your hips side to side. And then gently bring your hips back, arms come up, Namaste position, feet come together. Right foot stays on the yoga mat, left leg comes up, hands come to the waist. Stay here. With the left hand, bring your left knee to the left side. Stay here. Enjoy this position where you're opening up your left side hip. Bring your left leg back, left knee forward. Hold your left knee, open your left arm behind. Open. 3, 2, 1. Bring your hands together in Namaste. Lean your shoulders back. Quick warrior 3 and left leg comes back. Open your elbows, hands come together. Roll your shoulders back. Bound hand, lunge. Stay here. Chest lifts up, shoulders go together. And now lean forward, more forward. Maybe your left leg comes up. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left foot comes with the right. Roll your shoulders back. And then stand up. Flick water off your hands. Come into Namaste. Right knee comes up. Stay here. Bring your right knee to the right side. Enjoy this challenging balance. And when you're ready, you can hold the right knee with the right hand. Maybe open your right knee, open your right hip a little bit further. Bring your right knee forward. Open your right knee with the left hand. Bring your right arm back. Enjoy this twist. Twist back to the middle. Hold your waist, your hands stay in Namaste, whatever helps you balance. Warrior 3, just a quick transition. Right foot comes back. Open your chest. Hold your hands behind. Roll your shoulders down. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. Lean forward. Maybe right leg comes up. Bring your right foot with the left. Roll your shoulders back and flick water. Now, next round, we're going to try to straighten the leg. Hands come to the waist. Left knee comes up. From here, either your left knee is bent or you hold the left foot, straighten it. You don't have to force the knee to straighten. In fact, the knee has a small bend, which is a little bit better. Stay here. Next breath, bring your left leg to the left side. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg comes forward. Hold your left leg with the right hand and bring your left arm back. So you can also do this with the bent knee. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Leg stays up. Hold your waist. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. Swing your left leg back. Come into warrior 3 just for a moment and bring your left leg back. Hold your hands Understand, shaking is normal. It's not a bad thing to shake. You are getting stronger each time you're shaking. So enjoy the feeling. From here, lean forward, come into quick warrior 3 with hands bound. And this time, let's bring left knee up, wrap the left knee around the right. Bring the right elbow high and wrap the left arm under the right. Garudasana. Next breath, normal leg position, hands go back. Now on the other side, left foot stays on the yoga mat, hands come on the waist, right knee comes up. Option, you can do the whole round with the bent knee, or if you're feeling flexible, hold your right foot and straighten it. Not the foot, but straighten the leg. Breathe here. Now you can always have a small bend, that's also okay. But if you feel flexible, maybe try straightening it. Bring your right leg to the right side. Balance, you can bring your left arm to the left side, that helps with balance, or it can stay on your waist. Right leg comes forward, left hand holds the right foot, right arm opens behind. Expand your chest. Back to the middle. Let your right leg be high. Contract your thigh muscle. 3, 2, 1. Swing the right leg back. Just a quick transition. Right foot comes onto the yoga mat. Open your elbows. Hold your hands behind your back. Roll your shoulders back. So always change the grip. From here, lean forward, right leg comes up, right knee comes up, bring your right leg around the left, bring your left elbow over the right, Garudasana. 3, 2, 1, and straighten everything. Inhale, arms up, exhale, forward fold, both your hands stay on the yoga mat, left leg comes up. Now, bring your left leg even more up. Standing split. If you want, you can let your left hip open up. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right hand stays on the yoga mat. Left hand comes up. Stay here or bend your left leg and open and hold your left foot. So if you notice, today we are doing a lot of legs, but by doing this we are also opening up our hips. Let your leg go, let your left foot land, hold your right foot and come into triangle pose. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your hands back, right foot faces forward. Forward fold with wide legs. Option, you can stay in forward fold for 5 breaths, or you can do an inversion of your choice, headstand, forearm stand, whatever's calling you right now, or even handstand. Gently, legs come up, and then gently, as slow as you can, bring your legs back onto the yoga mat, shoulders up, hands frame the right foot, and from here bring your left foot forward, arms up. Namaste. Inhale, arms up, exhale, forward fold, standing split on left leg, so right leg comes up. Stay like this, or you can open the hips, open the right leg, right hip over the left. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's open up the hip, half up. Left hand stays on the yoga mat, right arm comes up. Bend your right knee and grab your foot. It's not important to grab your foot, but if you can do it, do it. But if you can't, it's not the end of the world. If you're holding your foot, stay here for a breath. Let your foot go, bring your right leg down, and let's find Trikonasana. So your right foot is facing diagonal and your hips stay open in Trikonasana. Arms up, right arm up. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both your hands come onto the yoga mat and come into forward fold. So I did not think this through. You're facing my back, and from here you decide which inversion you want to do. You can do headstand, you can do forearm stand. Everything is good. Just do what is working for you today. Open your legs and let them land back onto the yoga mat. Bring your hands back to face the left foot. Bring your right foot forward with left forward fold. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, namaste. Open your legs. Arms up. Inhale, exhale, lean your butt back. Come into Malasana. From Malasana, option, you can stay in Malasana for 3 breaths. After 3 breaths, find a nice sitting position, or let's do crow. So for crow, I will put my crow tutorial here, but today we will try from crow, we'll go to headstand. So come into crow, feet come up, bring your head onto the yoga mat, bring your legs up, and when you're ready, bend your knees, bring your knees onto your elbows, and when you bring your head up, immediately point your toes. Bring your head up softly, and bring your feet down in Malasana. So to be honest, I did it too fast, so I came out very quickly from crow. But if you're doing this, try to hold crow for an extra second before you come into Malasana. So from here, butt comes to the yoga mat, legs are forward. Let's find wide-legged position. From here, bring your hands forward. You can use the blocks under your elbows, or you can just gently let your chest find the yoga mat. And take a break here. And come up. So today, bring your right knee up. Your left leg is open. From left hand, hold your right ankle. Let your left elbow find the yoga mat. Bring your right arm up. Stay here, or maybe your right hand finds your left foot. And with that, bend your right elbow, open your chest to face the ceiling. Elongate. Stay here and open. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently come out of it. Breathe. So from here, right leg opens up, left knee points up. You can hold your left foot with the right hand, right elbow finds the yoga mat, left arm elongates more. Maybe with left hand you can find your right foot. When you found your right foot, open it, bend your elbow and open your chest to face up. Long spine. So just remember, you're not crunching, but your spine remains long. Stay here. Breathe. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently come out of it. So bring your feet together. Hold your feet. Inhale, roll your shoulders back. Exhale, bend forward. So, cobbler position. You can be here or you can gently sway side to side as you relax your body, relax your mind. Breathe. I know this is a quick flow, but we try to hold this position for just a little bit longer to relax the mind. And gently bring your head up, bring your knees apart, and then bring your legs together. So I'll give you two options. Either you can lie down flat onto the yoga mat, or today I invite you to lie down in an heart opening position. It is especially good after a flow like this where we've moved very quickly. And then you can lie down and open your chest. So please do this only in the morning class. Open your chest. One block is between the shoulder blades and the second block is right under your head. Open your elbows. Let your knees point up if that feels good, or your legs can be straight, or your feet can be together in cobbler position. Lie in this nice, comfortable position to end the practice. Normally, we are doing super quick flows on my YouTube channel because of time restriction, but the benefits of yoga really come in slow, mindful movements. And if you would like to experience a proper yoga class with me where we move a little bit slowly, mindfully, please consider joining my yoga retreat in Goa in November. All the links are going to be in the description of the video. Anyway, I invite you to lie like this in this heart opening position for a few moments. And I thank you for sharing your yoga practice with me. I wish you have the best day. Bye.